Yo, brother, check this out. When I was a boy, I wanted to be a doctor, so I go to school. And then in school, I got hard times of schooling. You know what I'm saying? So when the times goes by, I want to be a cashier. And then I realized that I need money. Is that I don't care if I work on the general worker. Yo, brother. Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up, brother. You are raping my eardrums now. You're raping my eardrums now, seriously. Oh, brother, the only thing you have to do is to show me some support because I'm going to sing this song on the talent show. What? You're not tired of raping my eardrums now. You want to rape everybody's eardrums in this community now. I don't give a damn, brother. If I have to rape everybody's eardrums in this community, then I'll do it. I don't care. Please, brother, don't do that. You're going to embarrass yourself, brother. Oh, brother, please. You're hating on me right now.